Hi, I'm Sky Crystal. I'm culturally confused and creatively liberated, and today is delivery day. May the plant shop commence. So, let's get into this one, shall we? Let's get unpacking, shall we? Okay, where to begin? You stay here. And you get off the table for now. Turn this. I am officially overwhelmed. I've still got another delivery coming today, and Milo is so excited he just wants to be in the plants. I also got this yesterday as well, so I'll take you with a little walkthrough of the plants and all the deliveries, and I've got to get rid of these boxes somehow. And I am absolutely smitten. Absolutely smitten with these plants. In love. Absolutely in love. And I don't know. I think I got a melanochrysum instead of a gigas, so I'm going to have to check with the delivery. And something was out of stock as well, which is a bit of a shame. Milo, which is a bit... There we go. Which is a bit of a shame, but that's absolutely fine because we've got plenty to work with. I wasn't expecting some of these to be as long as they were, which is amazing news. I am absolutely in love with these. And the philodendrons. The philodendrons. That Florida bronze is sublime. Like, how can you be so perfect? And look at this. Just needs a repot, but that's okay. El Choco Red. Delivery day. Okay, I'm going to pause it here for a bit, and then I'll see you in a little bit when the next delivery arrives. Okay, so we have another plant to add to the family, which needs a little bit of a repot. But it's Syngonium aurea, and I'm really happy with it. So it's the next morning. I decided to film this morning because it was better lighting, and I've organised all the plants neatly. Temporarily they are going on here. Good thing I got this, and I've put some up over here. So it's a few days later, a couple of days, I'm not entirely sure since I opened all the packages and everything, but today is an exciting day because we're going to IKEA today, my friend Alex and I am shopping for some shelves and a mini greenhouse, so I'm really excited. We're gonna go and get some coffee and probably some IKEA hot dogs and stuff like that, so it's gonna be cool. So let's go!
42, number 4.
3, 4.
Here.
Here they are.
These ones?
Yes. We need 3 of them.
Okay, I use 2 hands.
They're not that heavy.
And these are only the shelves?
Yeah.
How are you putting them up?
My friend's helping me tonight.
Okay.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.
We have shelves.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey.
Okay, hi. I am home and we've got some stuff to build. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Let's just go for it. Let's just go for it. I got the, what is it called? Highless shelving unit. 3 of them. So I'm going to build them now. Hello? Oh, good. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome. I'm filming, by the way.
Oh,
Say hello.
Buddy, cool. I'm here. Sky,
Yeah,
Sky.
I did it wrong.
We will put outside
In where?
in the veranda. No one is there. It's calm there outside. We will fit in half an hour. It's easy to think. Okay.
Okay. Milo. Thank you. Good morning. So we put the shelves up and it's the next morning and I'm so happy with the result. There's going to be a few more plans going onto these shelves, so it's going to be a little bit more chocker, but I organised it as much as I can last night and I've got a load of work to do today, so I thought I'd give you a little quick tour of it. Yeah. So up there is philodendrons and anthuriums and my Buddha. All of the babies looking really good. In here, my anthurium cabinet. Let me just put that. Hang that little sun back up there. Monstera shelf. These are going today, so I'm packaging all of these up. These are my 2 babies that are staying with me that need to be rooted. Florida Ghost and my other Florida Ghost. The bromeliads. Varicosum incensii. Alocasia and monsteras. And philodendrons. And that's in the little humidity dome. And my Alocasia poly is having a great time being all beautiful. The variegated one is there as well. And my saving grace, Alocasia Black Velvet, is having a great time. And Milo is loving the space, aren't you, baby boy? Milo! And the Syngonium aurea is just here. And then the ficus section, which is going to change, and then my little calathea as well. And then the fuzzy petiole down here. with my philodendron lemon lime. I'm going to add grow lights to this, so these are going to be temporary, and probably go back onto that shelf there, and I've temporarily moved that grow light there, my grow light, because I need more light up there, so I'm going to put that one back on that shelf eventually once I've bought some more. But yeah, that's a little tour. I've removed all the plants off the shelf area, so I've got a little bit more space. And I need to organise this cabinet desperately. Hi, Luna. So it's a few days later, and a lot's happened in between the space of a few days. I'm going to be filming my next creating space video, and I'll explain it all in there. And about what happened over the past few days. I did post a post on my Instagram and my Facebook about it, but I just wanted to talk a little bit more in depth about it in creating space. But for now, I think what I'm going to do is give you guys a tour of the shelves, and I tidied up the mini greenhouse, cleaned that out, and moved all the plants around to where I want them to be for the most part, and then when I get more in they'll change again, but for the most part I'm really happy with the space. So let's give you a little tour. Up here we have Hoya Memoria just hanging out. I used to have 5 here, but I've moved the other 2 around there to just stay out of the way and to add some colour onto that side of the room. I've got a Monstera Adansonii wide form, and then another Hoya. Can't remember the name of this one, but it starts with a B and it's really soft, and I like the shape of the leaves. They're like dip and they're like little boats. And then my variegated Oxalis triangularis, the Philodendron El Choco Red, Philodendron Gigas, Philodendron Melanochrysum, just looking absolutely fabulous. I put that on a large moss pole. And my Monstera Dubia, Philodendron Splendid, Philodendron number, I can't remember the number, the Oxalis triangularis, Anthurium clarinervium, and Philodendron Florida bronze. Then I moved the grow lights that were hanging from there on the opposite side of the room. I moved the books on top of there, and then moved these grow lights to under here. It's not all, but all the baby anthuriums are in here. Genmanii, Boa something, Warraquenum, Silver Blush Crystallinum, Gracile, my Philodendron Tortum, and this beautiful baby that's pushed out a new leaf and is growing quite fast. Anthurium crystallinum, my Frydek variegata, Alocasia poly, variegata, Alocasia poly, and Alocasia Frydek. And then down here we have the gorgeous little Milo. There's a little baby boy. You gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? Yes, you're a happy bean. You're a happy boy, just chilling in your chair. How cute are you? Then we have a Philodendron McDowell, a Hoya carnosa Crimson Queen, growing up. That cute little support. My bromeliads, and this plant from Sammy. Thank you, Sammy. I have no idea what it's called, but it's growing really well. It's cool. And Philodendron Florida Ghost, my Monstera Albo variegatas, Philodendron Pedantum Gladhand, Ficus shivriana, Philodendron mayui, and Philodendron Ring of Fire. And then I put another grow light down here, the same one that I've got on the other side of the room. It's super powerful, it's only at 25%, and it's for my grow boxes. And this alocasia, I think, is not having a great time since I brought it home. It's just in a bit of shock, but it seems to be fine, the older leaves. ZZ Raven, which isn't looking great. The leaves are a bit crispy, but it's got a bulb in there, so I'm hoping that if I just keep giving it what it needs, it'll grow. And then a Philodendron varicosum incensii. And that's all the plants on the shelves. Okay, so in the next couple of videos I'm going to be uploading Creating Space episode 2, I think it is. I should know, but I filmed it so long ago that I'm like, ah! But yeah, the next episode of Creating Space, and I'm also going to film a studio tour of my art studio and kind of talk to you about my art stuff and everything like that, and products that I would like to make and products that I have made before and things like that. So I'll be filming it this week. And yeah, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye!